a new benchmark in professional imaging. This is Vivo X300 Ultra, with a classic camera-inspiring design that's premium from the inside out. Vivo X300 Ultra. It's engineered for creators. It starts with the legendary ZEISS Master Lenses collection. 14mm ultra-wide for stunning architectural and night shots. 35mm, a golden focal length for humanistic storytelling. And 85mm gives you ultra-stable, gimbal-grade telephoto for the moments you never get twice. There are also the all-new ZEISS Telephoto Extender Gen 2 and Gen 2 Ultra, empowering you to go even further. Extreme reach, razor-sharp detail from a distance, true creative freedom across multiple focal lengths. And to complete the setup, the Vivo Imaging Grip Kit. Locked-in grip, shoot like a pro. Vivid, natural color comes standard thanks to Vivo Color Science. Precise color rendering in every frame. It's further optimized by Vivo Refined Color, delivering smoother highlights, deeper shadows, and more balanced tonality. The Vivo Color Palette offers the finishing touch, putting you in complete control of your final look. Vivo X300 Ultra is built for professional video creation. Multifocal high-spec recording mode. From Dolby Vision with wide dynamic range and vivid color, to 4K 120fps slow motion with stunning visual impact. Plus, a wide range of cinematic camera looks. With film style and film look, get that cinematic color and tone straight out of your phone. Vivo X300 Ultra opens a new era of mobile content creation, featuring the all-new Pro Video mode and multifocal 10-bit cinema log for industry-leading latitude ready for aces. Multifocal optical image stabilization keeps handheld footage stabilized and clean. The Vivo Small Rig Pro Video Rig Kit locks in handling and is compatible with production standard equipment. And it has sound to match, quad mic directional stereo, keeping sound locked to your frame. Vivo X300 Ultra. Mobile content creation fully covered. Internal performance is elevated as well. With a top-tier chipset and backed by all-day battery life, your creative flow never stops. With so much to explore, it's time for you to get started. Vivo X300 Ultra. ZEISS Cinematics, born to create.